Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. EUR USD Forecast Bulls at the mercy of USD price dynamics analysis. http ntvforex.com News ID 84F31/8/28/2025 44:12 am. EUR USD witnessed some volatility after Powell's comments at Jackson Hole Symposium. The emergence of some fresh USD selling assisted the pair to regain traction on Friday. The EUR-USD pair had some good two-way price swings on Thursday and finally settled nearly unchanged for the day. The intraday volatility was exclusively sponsored by the US dollar price dynamics following the Fed Chair Jerome Powell's highly anticipated speech at the Jackson Hole Symposium. Powell announced a major policy shift and said that the Fed is willing to allow inflation to run hotter than normal in order to support the labor market and broader economy. This meant that the Fed could keep rates lower for longer, which, in turn, weighed heavily on the greenback. The pair rallied to fresh weekly tops, albeit struggled to capitalize on the move beyond the January 1900 round figure mark. A sharp turnaround in the U.S. Treasury bond yields triggered some aggressive USD short covering move and kept a lid on any further gains for the major, rather prompted some fresh selling at higher levels. The pair dived around 150 pips intraday and refreshed weekly lows, around the 1.1760 area, before regaining some traction. Powell's dovish-sounding remarks led to a strong rally in the U.S. equity markets and capped any meaningful gains for the greenback. The emergence of some fresh selling assisted the pair to bounce back above the 1.1800 handle. The momentum extended through the Asian session on Friday, though the pair remains well within a familiar trading range held over the past 1 week or so. In the absence of any major market-moving economic releases, the pair remains at the mercy of the USD price dynamics. Later during the early North American session, the second-tier US data will be looked upon for some trading impetus on the last day of the week. The U.S. economic docket highlights the release of the core PCE price index A, the Fed's preferred measure of inflation, A, and Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index. Short-term technical outlook. From a technical perspective, the overnight recovery and a subsequent positive move might have already shifted back in favor of bulls. Some follow-through buying beyond the January 1900 mark should pave for a move towards the January 1940-50 supply zone before bulls eventually aim to conquer the key January 2000 psychological mark. On the flip side, pullbacks below the 1.1800 mark should continue to attract some dip buying near the 1.177060 region, which if broken could drag the pair towards testing sub 1.1700 level, or monthly lows set on August 3. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.